Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another product review, this time from AutoOne. Now here are two versions of their H11. So this is not going in my personal vehicle, it's going to go in a family member's vehicle. They sent this to me, they wanted me to test and review this bulb, which they did. I tested it and they sent this to me after I sent the results from this one. So let's get these open, show you the difference of them. Once I told this company what I was wanting to do, I don't have H11 in my vehicle, so I do have them on one of my vehicles, but fog lights. Now this one here is fan cooled. You can see the CSP chips there. So this is going to go in the low beam. Now these are going to go into a Nissan Rogue, in any case a little SUV. And then this one here is going to go in their high beams. Now what's interesting, that vehicle requires H11 on the low and high beams. So it'll make this, some people call it retrofitting, but this upgrade will be easy to do because they're all in one unit. This one here will be for the high beam using the similar CSP chips, but these are not fan cooled, so they should be fine for high beams because you're not going to drive. Most people don't drive with their high beams on for long periods of time. So I wanted to bring those out and show them, and I'll do a brief install on these. They appear to be nice quality, and performance goes a long ways, and that's what we want to see. So straight to the meat and potatoes. We'll continue on installing these, and then the final verdict will be going down the road and seeing the difference between the low beam and high beam. I'm not going to show the difference between halogen because you know these things are going to be way brighter. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is to install these and upgrade whatever you have. If you do have halogen, it's going to be night and day in difference. Now this company also offers a 1-year warranty, and they've got many different models of light bulbs that you can upgrade. Just about everything out there on the market, they've got it. So let's wait no further. Let's head out there and get these installed, see how they do. Okay, we're getting ready to install these A1 Auto LEDs, low beam, high beam, in this Nissan 2019 Rogue. Got projectors here and reflector for the high beam there. So it looks like a pretty simple job. Pretty easy to get to, I'm hoping. So you can see the bulbs here. It's got some old LEDs in there, probably 4 or 5 years old, and then halogen or in the high beam. So I'm not gonna show you the difference because it's just gonna be night and day difference from halogen. So we're gonna go ahead and get these started. Let me go ahead and grab one of these LEDs here. So here we are, it's just a simple turn of the bulb here to the left there. If you're looking at it, it's going to be to the right, but it's going there. Got a pretty old LED there. So let's get this one out. Looks like the fan system might have given out probably, so it dims down quite a bit. So let's get it put in. Let's see what we do. Okay, to get this out, there's a little locking pin here underneath the light, and set this over here, and then on the connector here there's one right here. You have to kind of lift that out of the way to unlock it. I used a little tiny flathead screw driver, and it works good for me. Let's get the new light in. Alright, we got the new one going in here. Doesn't have a locking clip here on this side. It does on the other side. So Hopefully that will lock up. I don't think these are polarity sensitive, but we'll try it out, make sure it works, and we'll get it in there along with the high beam. Okay, we got it in. Just a simple twist in from this way and then downward. Make sure that that plug is aimed downward. That way the bulb is at the high beam. A little bit farther under there, so hopefully I can get it. As you can see here, I've got it. And you just turn it once you get it lined up. Turn it until it's in the... Sorry about the lighting. And then we're going to go ahead and do the plug here. I'm one-handing it here, so hopefully I'm doing okay. There we go. Bugger to get in there when you only have literally that much room to get underneath. Okay, on this side there's this little air induct system here. I'll have to unscrew this off here. Looks like just 2 clips. And get that out of the way so I can get right behind this and make it a lot easier. There's the other LED on the other side. I've already done the other one. Both working like a charm. Alright. Another great thing about this, it does have H11 high beam and low beam. So if an emergency arises, you can just swap out the LED until you get another replacement. I really am pleased with that. Good job on Nissan with that. And let's go ahead and continue on. I've removed the air thing here, and I'm going to go ahead and move it over to the side, and let's get these other bulbs in. Take a little road test. Okay, I got them in. See a little bit better. This is a little more open area here on the driver's side. Low beam, high beam is, it's going to be hard to show you, but it's right up underneath. Yeah, it's going to be hard to show you, but it's right next to this, underneath that bolt there. So I got them in there, they're working fine. Let's go do a road test. Okay, here's now here's the beam. Nice cutoff. High beam, low beam, high beam. So that's what that looks like. Okay, we're gonna come around here. Just gotta do some surface streets driving the best I can here. It's not my vehicle, so it's gonna be a little different. Not used to driving this one, but that's what it looks like there. You can see high beams, low beam, high beam. Look at that. That is a big difference. Nice. Slow down a little bit so you guys can see. Now these here appear to be at probably about 5,500 Kelvin, which to me is better than real bluish color in them. So nice spread on the ground. So we're going to take it to another area. Now let's see how it does. Alright, we're coming up to a different area here. It's going to be dark here, so I should be able to show you the beam a little bit better. This SUV has a little bit more of a bumpy ride. There's the low beams there. I think it's got a good, nice spread and a, got some distance there to it as well. Turn on the high beams here. Oh, nice. Wow, that's pretty good. I've got to take my hats off to AutoOne Auto. These lights are not very expensive. They're probably going to be the best upgrade you could do for your modern vehicle, or even an older one that takes the H11 bulb. And I'm not seeing anything in performance. I've been driving around with these for about 20 minutes now, and they are nice and bright. I'm impressed with them. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel. Otherwise, you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way, I can bring more of these headlights videos from AutoOne to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.